Alright guys, what we're going to do today is basically a simple thing in regards to how to sell bars or cases of bars. This is kind of important because a lot of bars may come in packs of 10 and packs of 12. And when you go to ring it up on the register, you really either have to type in or quantity 12 bars for a box and try to figure out what the discount is for a box of bars. Or you have a box of bar price pop up, which you may have like 30 bucks for one bar, and then you have to try to divide it by how many bars from the box, which complicates things and slows down checking the customer out. Alright, so here we go. We're going to find a vendor of bars. Let's just work on a manufacturer of bars. Let's use a brand called Think Thin Bars. Alright, let's search. Remember this inventory option. Alright, and here we have some of the Think Thin bars. Now, I already did a few of the bars. Let's say, for example, let's take the Mudslide Espresso Mocha. Alright, as you pop open that one screen, remember the pad of paper, right over here with the pencil. Alright, you have the general, you have the vendors, and you have the pricing. Alright, now what happens, we go to pricing here. And if you look at this, you see the manufacturer's suggested retail price matches this price here. And you see a pack 1 and pack 2. Now you see the pack 1 breaks down per bar price, and pack 2 breaks it down. As you can see, there's a problem here because obviously $229 for a box of bars is a little excessive. I think we meant to say 22.9, but that's an easy fix. There. And so after you make that fix, we just save the changes. Alright, now if you look at here, you also just look at the discount for 1 bar and the discount for 10 bars. Now just keep that in mind. So if you buy 10 bars, because 10 bars come in a box, so 10 bars represents 1 case. Alright, now how do we go ahead and do this? Alright, let's show you. Alright, let's take a bar that has not been worked out yet. Alright, remember, click on the pen and paper, open the screen, go to pricing. Alright, now for now, often every once in a while you'll find these anomalies where we have a start date and end date. For ourselves, we want to erase this because we want to start from scratch. Alright, doesn't mean it was done wrong the first time, just means it's easier just to do it from the beginning. Alright, now we delete that. So now you see no more discounts anywhere. Alright, now we look at pack 1. And pack 1, we can call anything, but for this case, we're going to do bar. And obviously bar is singular, so only quantity of 1. And what's the price for 1 bar? $2.29. We're not interested in putting the discount price for the bar in yet. We're going to do the discount price for the bar at the bottom here. Alright, now what do we call pack 2? You can call it anything. You can call it super, you can call it great, but in our case, we're going to call it box. The computer is not going to care. The customer may though, but the computer, no. How many bars come in a box? You always look at the box, see how many bars are in there. In this case, the Think Thin bars, 10 bars come in a box. Which is real easy because if 10 bars in a box, then the standard retail without discounting for a box is $2.29 times 10. Which is $22.90. Didn't have to put any dollar sign in there. And of course, just to save it in case we make a mistake. Alright, now in this case, do you see a little check there? Now we're going through some damage control when it fixes inventory. So for now, you don't want to see that check mark ever checked. It shouldn't make a difference. Let's save changes once again. Because if everything's working right, you should not have to go to that override price formula. So pack 1, 1 bar, quantity 1, 1 bar cost, $2.29. Box, 10 bars, $22.90. Now we want to add the discounts. Alright, if you buy 1 bar, you check this because we're going to take the percentage off the price. And the discount for buying 1 bar, since we tend to discount our bars, is 15%. Now don't worry about this right now. It's going to do the math on its own. Look at the $2.29, then we click add. See, it brought the price down to $1.95. Alright, now what is the cost for 10 bars? Alright, we always give a little bit more of a discount when they buy a case, or a box I should say. So 10 bars come in a box. We check the discount. And remember, we're working the discount off the price per bar. In this case, we'll give 5% off for a box of bars. So 15% here, plus additional 5% equals 20%. So we click Add. It'll do the math on its own. And you see $1.83. Now, if we want to do sales, we can do start dates and end dates. But we have a permanent sale on this, so there's no sense of urgency created for the customer. They can come in any time and know if they buy a box of 10 that they're going to get each bar at $1.83. If they buy one bar, they're going to get each bar at $1.95. And of course, once again, always save the changes. Now, when you go to ring up a bar on the computer, it's going to say, are you going to be buying a case of bars or a single bar? So when you look at the point of sale system, when you go to ring it through, it's going to give you two options, bar or box. And when you look at that, it'll all come to light. It'll actually be kind of so much easier when you're ringing a customer up. Well, I hope that explains some things on how to break down the cases as far as bars per bar. You can do this with drinks or anything that comes in a quantity or a case. So for example, keep that in mind. It doesn't have to be excluded just to bars. It could be for 24 drinks. You do one drink, 24 drinks in a case. Water, one water, 12 waters in a case. All across the board, this formula works for just about anything. Alright guys, I hope that helps out. And then we'll take it from there. Bye.